Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren. In today's video, I will be taking down our old dining room table and I will be building my new desk from Ikea. Here I just wanted to show the state of the table. This is exactly where I sat. And then I began the process of taking it down. My cat here, Cleo, she was of no help to me. But she is cute, so I give her that. So I did film the whole entire process, well, besides the part where my phone died, but I filmed the whole thing of me taking down the table and putting up and building the drawers and attaching the tabletop. And the raw footage was about 3 hours and 42 minutes. So just to round it up, it basically took me 4 hours because, I lost a chunk of time where my phone died and I had no idea, but I was still filming, so that was a little disappointing. So after I finally got the table down, I started assembling my Alex drawers. And before I got the Alex drawer, this video on YouTube of a guy putting together an Alex drawer. But I think mine was updated, like it's an updated version, so it wasn't exactly to the one that he had, which was like a little trippy. And at this part, I wasn't paying attention to how far away my phone was to the drawer that I was building. And I knocked my phone over. So this is the scene after my phone died. I was waiting for my phone to charge, so I didn't have a way of filming, but I attached the leg to the tabletop. That took me a little bit. Not gonna lie, it was very embarrassing. And here I'm just checking out the drawers just to make sure that they work when I, pull them out. I'm just showing the space between my drawer and the bin that I have next to it to show that I have enough space. And then I began building my chair. I will make sure I have everything linked below so that in case you guys want to get something from this video, I'll have it in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. I know I have the FTC kind of like warning / what would it be considered, notification that I would receive a small commission from the links. I actually don't receive commission from the links at the moment, but just to be safer in the future, I just include them in all of my description boxes below. So this Lazy Susan I actually found in Target's dollar section. Not sure if I'll be able to find it. I'll have to see if it's on there. But it's a Lazy Susan and I think it's so cute. This fake plant from Ikea. This fake plant my sister got me from Target. This pumpkin I also got from Target. These 2 bins I got from Ikea. For kitchen drawers, when I was in my if you saw it, my Ikea vlog, I found these. They fit perfectly into the drawers. This desk mat for the top of my desk. These two like file holders, I guess you can call them. I put them underneath my desk. I have like a little platform on the leg. And then I just started putting the candles into the bins. Because I have candles, like I have a little candle collection, but like it's not too much. And then here is when I just started putting the items into my drawers. I just wanted to do like an overview of the items that I'm putting in my top drawers. So these are all my pens, highlighters, Sharpies, and things that I have from when I did a paper bullet journal. That was about a year or two ago. I'll also make sure I link down below the Velcro strips that I used for my drawer dividers, because the drawer is a little longer than the divider. So I bought them so it goes on the edge of the divider and the edge of the drawer, and it fits perfectly. So this is another file organizer set that I bought for my desk. Thought it was really cute. I had it on my desk for I think about a week, but I ultimately decided that I didn't like it on top. It felt like really cluttered. So I gave them to my mom. She uses them. I think she loves them. And this is just an overview of my desk. I actually filmed this bit this morning because I realized I never did like an overview of what the final piece looks like. But this is what it looks like and I love it. And the chair is very comfortable. Alright, and that wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you really like my content. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!